Today, we're going to build Zam Wesell Speeder using 14 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
First, we're going to grab this 4x1 sloped brick, and you're going to kind of notice how it kind of steps up here and gets thinner and thinner. Well, we actually want to smooth this out. So the first thing we're going to do is grab a 1x1 green plate and just put it in that very back slot like this. You can already see how it's evened out here. Now we've got 2 spaces. Well, in that 2 spaces, I'm going to grab a 1x2 orange plate and just stick it right in there to smooth this whole thing out. Now we've got one side of Zam Speeder, and we're going to do that 2 times to mirror it. So just do the steps 2 times the same way. Now once we've got those sides created, we're going to grab this 1x2 by 2/3 brick with studs on both sides, and this is going to be the body of our speeder. Now first we're going to put in the cockpit, and to do that we're going to grab these cheese wedge slopes in translucent black, and the first one's going to go on this top front stud and slope down towards the front. Now the next one, we've got this front stud here, we're going to grab another one of those translucent black pieces, cheese wedge slopes, but this time we're going to put the smooth end, or the small end on the bottom, and have it go up. And this is going to kind of create the effect of that longer canopy or cockpit of Zam Speeder. Okay, now we get to attach those sides that we created, and you've got this very back hole here where it's orange, green, and lime green. You're just going to put that on the front side stud of our larger brick like this, and it kind of goes right next to the cockpit. And now same thing with those colors on the other side, and you can see the front of Zam Speeder. Now to make this a little more smoother and aerodynamic as a speeder should be, we're going to grab these cheese wedge slopes in green. And we're going to put it so that the fat end is toward the speeder's wings, and it slopes back towards that back end of our kind of larger stud. I think that's kind of a little ugly like thing that jets out. And we're going to hit both sides to make it aerodynamic. And then we still have one stud left in the back here. For that stud, we're going to grab a binocular piece, a minifigure binocular piece, and just put that right into that back stud here. Now, this is a LEGO Advent Calendar design, but in the LEGO Advent Calendar, they used a 4L bar. But I only had 3L bars laying around because this is kind of the piece you get a lot for your plants. And this is like one of those things where I think it actually worked out better, because when I put those into the binoculars, the 2 of those in the binoculars, these 3L bars, I actually liked the shorter look of those bars and those binocular pieces. So I thought not having the right pieces actually worked out better to create Zam Wesell Speeder.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.